Kasamri dia das naga school Sherwood Tura, kalawan beningkong haga exam SSLC, bat ya kakardan ke Baar bat balai layok daki kena naga school Saint Margaret's Higher Secondary School. Kasamri dia das kalayok sanspa nyopo armax, kejuti pria bat charji, kabalayok ya kakardan ke Baar, kalayok sanspa nyopo armax, bat katanushri a charji, kabayok ya kakardan ke balai kalayok sanspa nyopo max. Kajoti pria kalapan pau ya kajingkmen bat ai kuble ya kikmi kikpa kinong hikai bat ya barok kibalaju kershan ya ka. Kajoti kalau ong bakan beteng ya kajing pule dah kabalet pule ya ka ars bat kadan ya kajing terang banlong IAS ne IPS officer. Kat ba kata nusri kalau ong bakadan kam bantri shitom ban poisya kene kathong kala ai mensiam ya kiwe baki de banlong testa haka pule bat kimdei ban kuslai hendai kide ban kan mau bakin le baha bat ban buti ha kajing duai.
But I never wasted my time actually counting the hours. But sometimes I slept at 12, sometimes I slept at 3. Some exams I did not sleep. Social science I did not sleep. I just went to give the exams and everything was fresh. Last minute study also helped. Like during the science exam, I was so scared that I did not finish reading, like revising all the chapters. So last chapter was from chemistry, the first chapter. So I just saw first line. Nothing came from that chapter.
To study 24/7, you just need to understand the concepts and study regularly.
Yeah, like schedule type.
Yes.
Schedule type, yes.
What do you plan to do next time?
I'm still thinking. I haven't thought about my future yet. Still thinking.
I cannot believe. I'm so happy, and it's not that I just studied and just focused, but I concentrated on my extracurricular more as compared to studies. Also, like it was balanced.
Like balance one.
Yeah. I even use social media. There was not an end. I was active day night, but then also I received this achievement. I'm so happy. This is not the end. I've received this, this top 3. This is not the end of my potential. I'm going to try hard to, get air also, like all India rank also. So, and I would like to thank them, my teachers, especially my sister. I was awake, she was awake. She used to tell me, she's a pastor actually. She passed out with bright colors. I'm so happy for this. Yeah, thank you so much, you guys. Thank you so much.
I was just saying that it really took some efforts to reach there. Like, I thought I wouldn't make it, but then I thought, no, I have to try it. I have to try my best. My only message to the young ones is that just be regular and don't worry about anything. It's like you just have to understand and just be regular. It's nothing to worry about, and always remember to do your best and always remember to pray to God, for nothing can be done without God's blessings after all.
When I needed a time, I need break. Then I always scroll through reels, endless reels, okay, and then I felt free, like tomorrow is this, what should I do? But then I said to myself that it's okay, calm down, you'll do good. We have studied the whole year, so you'll do good. Just scroll through 2-3 reels, you'll feel okay. Then I saw 2-3 reels, and then I was fine. Not like any other, like I belong from a lower middle class, okay? So I will not like a child, a very aspiring child from a lower middle class to shut her or his dreams, to think that no, I belong to this class, so I should not aim high. You should aim high, and then you will go to the goal, right? So don't stop your dreams, just go with the flow and study hard work. My future plans, as you asked, I want to clear the UPSC CSC exams and become an IAS officer or an IPS officer. I would be honored if I go to that, if I even get air. I'm thinking to get air rank, okay, UPSC exam, CSC exam. I will be very honored.
What's next for you?
I was like, where is Jyotipya? Because she's my best friend, no? BSF forever. And when I saw Jyotipya, I did not see my name. I was like, I'll ignore. But after I saw Jyotipya, I was the happiest. Tears just fell, and I was so happy. Then I saw my sister, hey, you're your name also is there. Check out. Then I was like, oh yeah. But Jyoti Priya, then I called her first. She's the first one that I called. She is also so happy. She was my inspiration. Her hard work was phenomenal. I'm so happy for this. Yeah, teachers also. My teachers, sister always motivated me. She called me, Tanushree, come, let's talk. Then she told me that, you have to balance everything, okay? Studies plus extracurricular. I also gave debate, elocution. I attended the elocution for Environment Day in Lady Hygie Park. They gave prize and all. So I was not like only studies. I'm not that studious, that type of topper with, specs. But but then also I was not that kind always. I also like fashion. That's why. So I never just focused on studies, but I also focused on my extracurricular. Like I love debate. I love giving speech, elocution, and even singing, dance, art, everything. I have an art account also in Instagram, even my personal account. I was not like stopping everything. I went with the flow.